So hello everyone. So today's question is of lead code is of valid parenthesis. So it's a very good problem, and we are being given a string which is containing these characters, this, this. These are parentheses, close parenthesis. Then another parenthesis is like this, and another is like this. So what we have to find out that open bracket must be closed by the same type of brackets, and open bracket must be closed in the correct order. Every closed bracket has a corresponding open bracket of the same type. So this is one of the thing that is been there. Okay. So we have understood one thing is that we have to find out that how these parentheses will be how we'll be able to find out the parentheses. Like what I want to say is like if I have this bracket, so I have to traverse the other part to get to know whether this is being able to be closed by this. Okay, like I have this example 2. Okay, like this. So suppose I am being traversing my string. So I will be going from this position. Okay, I will keep this. Okay, now I will check whether it is being closed by this or not. Yeah, so in the second only, yes. Okay, it's being closed. Then I will find out if it's able to be closed by this. Yes, is this is being closed by this. But do you want another cases? Like there could be a case like this. How will you determine whether it is closed or not, and what according to you think that whether it is closed or not? So it is being closed, we are able to see this. And how we will figure out? First I will traverse this. Okay, I have this. Okay, then I will traverse this. Okay, then I will see whether it is being having any closed bracket or not. Yes, it has been a closed bracket. So okay, I will put this. Again I will see this has a closed bracket, so this will be. So at one time I am being cutting my closed bracket with the open brackets. This is what I am been doing. So for this I will be using stack. What I will be using stack. The intuition should be like this. I have these brackets. They should be put in the strings. And whenever I encounter these brackets, these closed brackets, these are the open brackets, these are open brackets. Okay, and these are closed brackets, closed. So whenever I encounter closed bracket, okay, so I will say yes, I got the solution. Okay, so the intuition is very clear about why we are being using the stack. Okay, the intuition should be very much clear. Then we will be able to solve this question. Okay, now the first step of mine is that I will declare a stack which is of char type. Char type because I have a string, so each will have a set of characters. Okay, S1 I will say because. Okay, now I will traverse the loop from int I equal to 0 till I less than s dot size. Okay, okay, and I plus plus. Till this, I think whoever is been watching this will have that clarity that why we are being traversing the whole string. Okay, so my first step is that if I will get an open bracket, if my s of I is equal to this, or if my s of I is equal to this, or if my s of I is equal to this, mm, this. Okay, so I will say yes, I have to put this into my stack. So s dot push it in the stack. Okay, I will push it. I will push it s of I. Okay, now I will say else if. Okay, this is the most important thing. First I will add a base case. I will tell you later what is the significance of this. Okay, and now I will take char x, okay, and s dot topmost element I will pop out, then I will take the element from the top and then I will pop it out. Okay, that's very clear. Then what I will do, I will just do one thing, that I will check if my s of I, uh, if my x is equal to suppose this open brackets, okay, and if my s of I is not equal to this close bracket, okay, so I will return false, and same I will do again this for the other cases also, for other two types of brackets we have. So I will just copy paste this if, and then I will do else again, and I will do if. Okay, I will change the bracket size. Obviously, if I have this type of bracket, this, okay, I have this, okay, I have this, and I have this, okay, return false. Till this I guess clear, if everyone will have clarity now. The most important thing comes here. I will be going out of a loop after some time. Okay, I will be going out of the loop. So outside the loop I will say if my s is not empty, or if my s is empty, okay, I will say my if s my of empty, so I will return true, otherwise return false. Okay, so what is happening in the question I will tell you. So basically, just I will dry run it first. Okay, so the base case that I will be taking is this base case, sorry, I will not the base case, I will be taking this example, this, this, this. Okay, according to anyone, the answer should, according to me, the answer should be return false. Okay, and I will see whether we are able to reach our result or no. Okay, the first thing that is there, okay, the first thing, just a minute, there's some issue. So the example was of mine was this. Okay, so the first thing I will take, this is my string s. Okay, I will be traversing my string from I0 to I less than equal to s dot size. The size is 3. So I will be traversing till 3. Okay, I is less than 3. Okay, I will be traversing till from 0 to 2. Okay, this much is very clear to everyone. Now next what I will be doing is that I have this stack. First, what I said, that if of s of my I is equal to this, so I will push my element. Okay, I have pushed it. Then what next I will do? I will increase my I. Initially my I is 0. Okay, let me erase some part. Okay, what I was saying, that initially my I is 0. Okay. Then next what happened is that I have put my element in the stack. Now my I will be incremented. Okay, I will again check if my s of I is equal to this. No, it's not equal to this. So I will check inside. Okay, first now I will check if my s is empty. So it's not like that. My stack is not empty. So okay, I will not return anything. This for loop condition will not be valid for this. Then I will take element x, which will be this. Okay, I will remove this element, I will pop out this element. Okay, now I will be checking if my x is equal to this. Okay, if my x is equal to this and my s of I is not equal to this, but it's a true case, so I will not be going to this. Then I will be doing else if. Okay, else if, then I will again checking if this is the case. No, this is also not the case. The third case is not valid. And you know one thing what I have done right now here is that I have I have used else and if a lots of time. But if you don't use it, that will be also completely fine. Okay. Even in that case, our code will be running. It will not be like that. Our code will not run. It will definitely run. I will show you. And also, especially for this answer, what I will be getting. Okay. Then I will say, okay, this part for me was I already knew that this will be a valid case. Okay, now I will be coming to this part is a closed bracket, so I will put this. Okay, but what will be going to happen is in this case the answer should be false, we know this. I will be going to the second loop and I will be checking out that my okay, I will be checking that in this case I will be checking that if my s of I is equal to this. No, it's not. So I will be checking the second condition. Again, it's not. In the third condition, I can see this thing. Yeah, this is the thing that I was searching for. What I am talking about. Yes. Yes. S of I is not equal to this. I am out of loop. Okay, in the third case what is happening is that after this stack is being put into this, I will not be reaching any of these statement because my I has been overflowed. Okay, what I am saying that you have reached to this condition, you have put the element. Okay, what I told you in the what I told you about right now is that just a minute. I was saying that when I put this element, so now I'm not able to compare this element no more. So I will not be able to compare this element. I will again go out of the loop because the I value has been 2. The element this has been put in the stack. My initial this was okay. This has become too much congested. I will again speak. Okay, initially my this was this. Okay, and I was at I equal to 2. So in the I equal to 2, what I did, I put this element in my stack. Till now, I know this thing that this was my equal parenthesis. This was my equal parenthesis. They were closed parenthesis. They were valid parenthesis. But this element is not valid parenthesis. So okay, this is not valid parenthesis. So what I will be doing, now after I equal to 2, I will become 3 and now I will go out of the loop. Okay, go out of the loop. What will be happening now is that I will be checking out of the loop. Is my stack empty? This is your stack and you are able to see this thing that your stack is not empty no more. So we will simply return the false and the answer will come out to be false. I hope you have understood it. I had dry run it in a very proper manner and I hope you will understand it. I will be even running the code for you all, and there is some compilation error. Okay. Okay. There is compilation error because I have written s is equal to top. It should be s1. Okay, and here also it should be s1. Okay, if there is sometimes these errors happen, so okay, again the same mistake, s1 dot pop. Okay, I think now the code should work. Here also I should change if s1 is empty, return true. Now the code will work. I will even run for the cases that I told you in the beginning. I told you a case now where it should be this. It should be this. Okay, so you can see okay, you can see the fourth case also. The case forces return false, answers false. I hope it's very clear. Thank you and have a good day.